Late? You didn't tell him? Late? What about late? When I used to climb 911, Jebuabo, Buochako. No, now. Don't worry about lateness. In fact, desperate times call for desperate measures. Yes, yes.
About what desperate time are you talking about?
Oh.
Huh?
You didn't tell him. She has been complaining about this continuous stomach pain. All the time she will call and be complaining.
Stomach pain?
Yes. You know, somebody that is looking for the fruit of the womb. I don't know what she has been taking. So I have come to be massaging her.
But babe, you didn't tell me anything like that, did you?
I am... Oh, Mama.
Don't.
Oh!
Wait, is it that bad?
No. See, it's not everything she will tell you. You're a man. There are so many on your head, not in 1 million. There is division of labor. And for me, this is my job. That is why I'm here.
But babe, we live in the same house and you couldn't tell me that you have stomach pain?